Got a call for a walk-in box being warm Saturday afternoon at about 3:20 p.m. We're going to come out and take a look at this box. What I ended up finding was the middle evaporator fan motor was bad. It was in need of major cleanup. The return grill needs cleaning, the evaporator fans need cleaning, the condenser needed cleaning. The defrost timer here was way out of time. And so I'll show you guys a video when I get the new evaporator fan motor. I'm going to pull all these blades out and clean them up, get this thing all cleaned up and back together. And I'll show you that in another video. And I'll be replacing the ECM middle motor with just a standard regular motor, because that's how we do it. Who's back? Shady's back. Oh, I found it. I remembered I had left it up here and it was still in the cooler. The old 16's going back into Tippins to the starting lineup. What a great feeling. You're back! Well done!